In this tutorial, we will show you how you can sell items from your storage. Let's navigate to Orders and click on Sell Orders. Click on Create. Customer type can be a company or an individual person. We can choose an already existing customer or create a new one. When done, we can continue creating the sell order. Select the storage unit where the items will be sold from. Select the item and edit the information in case needed. Keep in mind, when we created items in our How to Manage Items tutorial, we were inputting a sell price. This is one of the occasions where those numbers will be filled out automatically. In case you do not have specific sales prices or they change based on the situation, you can enter whatever you please. To add more items to the order, click on Add Another Article. Complete the sell order by clicking on the Sell button. All previous orders will be listed on the table. From here we have a few additional options. On the right-hand side, we can preview the order or add an attachment such as warranty for the item. At the top we can filter out the requests. All sold items from storages will appear in finances as storage sales and will be calculated in the general financial report. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or suggestions.